This is a short video about my iPad 2 with latest updates, and also under App Store, nothing is supposed to be updated. When I was using this iPad, there was 0 available. So this is a storage issue. I hadn't factory reset the iPad in years, like a decade. But anyways, that's besides the point. I only had 10 apps installed, and it was showing 0 available storage. So then I factory reset it, and so after factory resetting it, this is how much it showed. 12.4 gigabytes. Okay, that's great. So I reset it. Now I have my storage back. I then proceeded to install 10 apps. So if we go there, I installed 10 apps. Nothing fabulous or anything. I'll show you what apps that are installed. These are the 10 apps. So mind you, I should have 10 gigabytes available storage. And I only, there's Netflix and there's YouTube Kids. I think those are the biggest ones besides Elmo and whatnot. So let me just actually show you the storage under settings. So I go to settings, general, I went to about. You can see my iOS's latest version for iPad 2. And you look over here, I only have 10 apps. And now available is 2.4 gigabytes. Again, it went from 10.3 gigabytes to 2.4 magically. I don't know what's happening over there at the bottom. So this is my iPad 2, and I've been dealing with storage issues with it. I hadn't reset it in 10 years. And so before, it had only 10 apps, and the available capacity over here was 0. And it was like that. I deleted whatever I could. There's no pictures, there's nothing. There's just those 10 apps. And I'll show you what 10 apps those are. Just these 10 apps. They're not like video gaming apps. Just probably 5 of them are learning apps. They don't take much space. And then there's the 2 games. And then the 2 streaming apps. So I still can't figure why storage was completely taken up with just 10 apps. But in the end, factory resetting it solved my problem. You go into general, scroll to the very bottom, reset, and then erase all content and settings. Did that. I didn't have a iCloud backup or anything. I just reinstalled the apps and restored my purchases. It's such an old iPad. Luckily, I was able to re-download all the apps, and I'm back in business, but it kind of bothers me that there were some type of zombie apps that were, or just the OS was taking up all that space. So that's my short story. I'll go back into the storage. Right now I'm at 2.4 gigabytes. I've been watching some videos and it's been staying at there. Before I had the apps installed, it was really a lot more. So this is after I had factory reset it. It had 12.4 gigabytes available and only 332 megabytes were used. But I don't know what happened. So again, I can't imagine 10 apps taking 8 gigabytes of space, but who knows? This is after factory reset. It said I had 12 gigabytes, but then after installing 10 apps, each one takes a gigabyte. I really don't know, so it seems like it's really bloated, this old iOS 9.